Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my green smoky eye look, where I use the Lily Lolo green khaki eyeshadow, I actually got a request to use the deep purple and the bronze sparkling look. So that is what I'm going to do today. So I hope you like the look that I come up with, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. So as always, starting off with my Hint Beauty concealer. Just going here and setting with powder using Hunter Pure Bamboo Blur Powder. Okay, for bronzer, going my Lily Lolo Sculpt and Glow Contour Kit. I can't believe how quickly I'm going through this. I'm going to have to pick up a new one very soon. So just go ahead and give my skin a lovely bronze. Whilst I've got this, I'll also might as well just take the illuminator as well. Really glow up the skin. And then actually for blush, I'm going to go in with the B blush powder in Make Me Blush today. Okay, so as you can see, I've filled in my eyebrows, prepped and primed my eyes, ready to go. So I've got both deep purple and bronze sparkle here from Lily Lolo. And now I think I'll go in with like the Ether Beauty Solstice palette to kind of add extra kind of shades to it and stuff. But just need to make sure my lids are really tacky to begin with these eyeshadows. Right, and then I'm going to go with deep purple first. And just on a flat brush, pick it up and then pack it onto, I think, the outer portion to begin with. Just really kind of patting it on, stamping on just to get that pigment down and that colour showing. And then I like to go in later and blend. Yeah, just really press into the eye primer, because that's what you need with these mineral shadows. They just need something to really stick to. And just softly going over these edges. I haven't picked up any eyeshadow or anything like that. I just want to go over what I've already done, just on the edge, to start softening it slightly. Just going to make it a bit easier later on. Just like kind of that much for now. Quickly just jumping into the Solstice palette now. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to take the shade. I'm going to go over it first a little bit with Sister, which is kind of like a matte brown with like a purple undertone to begin with, on a fluffy brush, and just gently go over that. Then actually I think I'm going to jump to New Moon, just to really further blend out. I don't really want to add too much of another colour, because I've already brought it quite, the dark colour quite high up, so I want to add a much lighter one in at the moment. Then what you can do is pick up the concealer brush, and sometimes I just like to sweep on the edges both ways, back and forth, because it just helps a further kind of blend. As well, you can do it like translucent powder, whatever, but I quite like doing it with concealer sometimes, leftover concealer. So just like that. Right, I'm actually going to take a little bit of Soul, and I'm sticking the same brush, going to move this mainly in this inner portion right here. So that's going to blend nicely with the bronze sparkle. And you know, bring it a little bit up here as well, almost touching the brow, but just in this inner kind of portion. I'm actually just going to quick to is take some citrine shimmer, just really quickly kind of highlight the brow bone, and then I'll move on to the bronze sparkle. I'm just going to take my concealer brush over this inner bit just to make sure, because I also use this for my eye primer, but I've still got some tackiness down. Going in with bronze sparkle now. I'm taking it off a cleaner flat brush obviously, and pack it onto the inner portion and just kind of go over the purple. So I want the bronze to go and be the main focus with the purple faded in the corner outer portion. So when I get to this bit, just sweep it gently over, kind of blend into the purple. This is a pretty eye. And I'll just bring it just above the crease as well, going round, almost like if you were going to do a cut crease, but actually not cutting it. It's just quite nice, it just opens up the eye just a little bit more. Oh no, I've got some fallout. It's fine. Perfect. Do you know, I don't think I was going to put stuff along my lower lash line, but actually I don't want to like drown it and make it too smoky like I did the green look. I actually quite like how it looks right now. I love this colour combination for sure. So thank you to, I probably should have checked who actually asked, but definitely a great suggestion. So it was Moonlight asked, can you play with the Lily Lolo Deep Purple once again combined with the Bronze Sparkle? So there you go, beautiful combination for sure. I'm just going to keep, where's my brush, bring it a little bit over so there's a real kind of blend here. I don't think yeah, like I said, I don't want to drown the look and make it too smoky this time round, because I think actually it looks pretty as it is. So I'm actually just going to top up my upper lashes with the Lily Lolo Big Lash. Oh, and actually I might just pop a little bit of citrine right in the inner corner as well. And I'm going to use this product again, the 100% Pure Lip Caramel in Rum Nougat, because I used it in a couple of videos ago and I forget how nice it is. But I'm going to do the same thing where I use my finger to rub it in, because I like the finish it gives. Okay, and that is the look complete. So once again, thank you to Moonlight for suggesting these colour combinations. It does make a very beautiful eye look for sure. I hope you like the look overall. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave any request features down below, and I'll see you in my next video.